What do we have here? It's our old punching bag.
Hello?
It's been a long time since I've seen you, Krillin, when you ran crying out of the Orin Temple.
But look, his clothes are so pretty.
Now surely you're not trying to fight in the World Martial Arts Tournament.
Well, yeah, I was thinking about it.
How horrible. Making all these real fighters waste their time on you.
Have you forgotten what we taught you? That runts are always runts?
No, I remember.
Oh, look, he's number 93. Would you like to know who your opponent's gonna be?
Huh?
You're looking at him.
Just like old times, huh?
Just try not to be too hard on me, Krillin.